Upgrade now and hear everything you've been missing with the new TWN4 by DS18. Check out this super tweeter. This is a 3-inch super tweeter that has a 1-inch voice coil, peak power of 280 watts, program power of 140 watts, and AES power of 70 watts. 107 dBs. This baby is loud. Perfect fit for a door panel, a dash, even a motorcycle fairing. Wherever you need some highs, crispy highs, and you want to get that magical DS18 touch, the TWN4 is the way to go. But enough talk. Let's hear this baby play some music. And let's go. Volume is set right now really low. We're gonna give it 30% right there. It sounds amazing. I also wanted to let you guys know, this is a hybrid compression driver tweeter in a small package. They're sold as single, but this baby is loud. I'm gonna give it 50% of volume. You can hear all the voices. It has the bass blocker attached to it, and it's straight from power. No DSP, just a straight amp. Change the song, and let's go 70%. You can hear all the notes. Go 100%. I don't know if video does justice, but this thing is crazy loud. Remember, it's a perfect fit for a door panel, an A-pillar, a dash, even a bagger motorcycle. Want to put it on a dash, want to put it on the fairing. The TWN4 is the way to go. I'm Mr. DS18, and we like it loud.